Hi, my name is Sarah Bryant, and this is my presentation of our Week 3 project proposal related to communication problems. First, let's focus on the background. My project proposal focuses on the company I currently work for, the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center, or UPMC. UPMC operates around 40 hospitals and some 800 outpatient sites, offering healthcare to Western Pennsylvania, Maryland, New York, and some locations globally. A nonprofit healthcare provider and insurer based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, UPMC is the largest non-governmental employer in Pennsylvania with over 95,000 employees. UPMC was founded in 1893 by Louis Lyle, the wife of a Presbyterian minister. The UPMC name originated in 1990, where UPMC continued to merge with community and specialty hospitals in the area. From its founding in 1893, UPMC impacts healthcare primarily in Western Pennsylvania, specifically Allegheny County, where it maintains about 60% of the market share in 2022. Additionally, UPMC has several strategic pillars it focuses on as an organization. These strategic objectives focus on the foundational pillars of people, service, quality, finance, and growth. My project proposal focuses specifically on the strategic people pillar. Specific to the people pillar, UPMC claims to have invested over $300 million in support of its workforce throughout 2022. Specifically, these funds went into the development of programs to focus on retention, recruitment, and building of the workforce pipeline with programs like the My Nursing Career Platform. Yet, despite all these claims, UPMC's 2022 turnover rate was over 19% and over 30% within the first year of hire for employees within the hospital division. As a result, my project focuses on the My Nursing Career Platform, which centers on the Nursing Clinical Ladder Program. Clinical ladder programs were developed in the 1970s by Patricia Benners. She had a novice to expert framework to address the nursing shortage of that time. The idea was to focus on retaining and recognizing talented nurses through the stages of novice, beginner, advanced, competent, proficient, and expert. UPMC's ladder has 7 levels regarding to different title designations. At UPMC, progression to a senior professional staff nurse includes 2 years of experience as well as 2 contributions, or 1 certification and 1 contribution. A contribution might be a quality improvement product or joining a committee that would be outside of the nurse's regular duty day. Additionally, a certification could include education like a master's degree or a specialty, say in psychiatric nursing. The requirement of contributions or certifications, as a result, often presents nurses with administrative challenges to achieve their career progression. Research shows that most nurses want to pursue career progression due to the monetary reward being a main driving factor. I would argue that, unfortunately, these administrative burdens actually derail nurses from wanting to pursue progression and through career ladders and ultimately contribute to poor retention within UPMC. As a result, the objective of my project proposal is to revise the clinical ladder to allow more nurses to progress within UPMC. As such, the intended readers of the proposal are initially human resources who help manage retention and recruitment within the organization, as well as managers who are responsible for helping and disseminate information to the nurses. Since both human resources and managers hold responsibility for informing and encouraging employees for career advancement, the proposal fits well into their existing job responsibilities and functions. With exasperations surrounding the high turnover rate and chronic staffing shortages, new ideas regarding retention will most likely be well received. The procedure and timeline for my proposed project proposal is on the screen. As such, in July 2023, we'll be focusing on the investigative phase with continued research and interviews surrounding retention and the career ladder. In August, I will focus on the design phase, where we are focused on revising handouts and developing new tools surrounding the clinical nursing ladder. In September, we will focus on the implementation phase where we release these new handouts and tools. The cost estimate associated with my project proposal will most likely be minimal, as I will be assisting with the revision of most items, and most items can be distributed digitally. If the client desires print documents as well, there may be a small fee associated with printing. However, since UPMC has an in-house marketing team, these costs will also likely be minimal. In conclusion, my proposal is to revise clinical career ladders. This project proposal focuses on the deliverables of new handouts and tools, which will seek to address the strategic people pillar within UPMC. With improved rhetoric surrounding clinical nursing ladders, the intent is to encourage and see more nurses progress within UPMC. As a result, the improved pay and satisfaction of the nurses will most likely help decrease the high turnover rate that they experienced in 2022. Thank you.